Hi Phonics friends, thank you for joining me today. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Let's get started. Today we are learning the qu sound. Now qu is a digraph, and digraph means that there are two letters that make the qu sound. We've got Q and we've got U, and together they make a qu sound. Now, when I do this, it's my turn. And when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Qu, qu, qu. Excellent. Let's take a quick look in my magic box and see if we can find anything that begins with the qu sound. Ooh, I found a queen. 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 Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that begins with the qu sound. I found a question mark. Question begins with qu. Question. Question. Well done. Let's look for something else that begins with the qu sound. Oh, I like this one. This is a pound coin, which we also call a quid. 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 Well done. So, quid, question, and queen all start with the qu sound. Now, we're going to have a go at writing the qu sound. As I said earlier, the qu is a digraph, so we need to draw two letters today. We're going to do our Q and then our U. To do our Q, we start at the top, we go all the way around and down. Then we take our magic finger or our pencil off to do our U. We start at the top, down, round, up and down. Now I want you joining in at home using your magic fingers, using your piece of paper to write on. Let's get our fingers ready for writing. Big stretch, wiggle, and our shoulders a big roll, and off we go. So for our Q, start at the top, all the way round and down. Pencil off. Our U, start at the top, down, round, up and down. Let's do it again. Start at the top, all the way around and down. Pencil off. Our U, start at the top, down, round, up and down. Well done. Let's do it one more time. Start at the top of our Q, all the way round, down. Pencils off. For our U, start at the top, down, round, up and down. Excellent. Well done. Now let's have a go at reading some words that use the qu sound. Our first word today is quiz. Listen carefully when it's my turn so you know what sounds to say when it's your turn. My turn. Quiz. Quiz. Your turn. Quiz. Well done. My turn again. Quiz. Quiz. Your turn. Quiz. Excellent. Our next word is quit. My turn. Quit. Quit. Your turn. Quit. Well done. My turn. Quit. Quit. Your turn. Quit. Excellent. And our last word is quid. My turn. Quid. Quid. Your turn. Quid. Excellent. My turn. Quid. Quid. Your turn. Quid. Excellent. I wonder if you can think of any other words that use the qu sound. Well done today. You worked very, very hard and should be very proud of yourself. I can't wait to see you again soon. Goodbye.